It's Peter here. Now in this particular tutorial I'll be showing you how you can actually blend an image with a background. Okay, so the first thing I'll be doing is, or you can create a faded gradient. The first thing I'll be doing is with this image here, this is particular image, the background is not blend. So I'll come here first, come to this option, come here, probably this is the background. I'll come here and change the background to, use my eyedropper to, what did I do? I came to plus the eyedropper to, then go to the image of the girl. I'm picking the color from my shade. So this is my background, but it's not yet blend. So I'll just come to this image, come to this option, then come to eraser, then increase this blur, then increase this one. I don't want to increase it that much, so I'll just click on this side, then I'll just draw. Now it's going to make it blowy, so you can see it is now blended a bit with this background. Okay, another way you can make it blend with the background is by adding a gradient. Come to this option, click on shapes, that you bring in a new shape, then we'll come to gradient, click on plus, then this first one that is white, we'll click on it, click on this paint bucket, and we'll draw it, move this slide here. Alright, so we have this, so I'll just move this one here. I also make it fade, then this option, so this particular one, come to this paint bucket, click on my eyedropper, then move to this lady's shirt, then click on OK, so they give the same color. Alright, so the way I move this one, because of this effect, that's why I actually move this slide here. I don't want it to be too much obvious there. Alright, so this is what we are having. So let me click on it again. I think I'm not liking the effect it's giving me. I'll just click on plus, then I'll just drag this one here. Alright, now I love this. I'll drag this one here, then I'll click on OK. Alright, so this is it. So this is what I was just hoping to get. Now I can just move this slide here if it's not something I like. So we can move it here. Now you can see you're not seeing the part of her shirt again. Alright, so this is everything we have. So you can see that's actually blended with the background. You're not seeing her shirt again. So you can do it for whatever image you're using. Just make sure the color you're using for the faded gradient is related to the color on the image shirt or the clothes he's wearing. Alright, so that's all for this video. We will see in the next one. Cheers.